Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. If you're new here, then please subscribe and hit bell button ting 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 right next to it so that you stay notified whenever I post new videos. In today's video, you will see how to DIY Quilled Penguin for the upcoming Christmas decoration. Materials you need are 3mm quilling strips, quilling tools, glue and scissor. So let's begin. To make the body of the penguin, use mentioned number of strips, roll to form a tight coil and using mold, give a good dome shape. Apply some glue inside the domes to secure. Apply glue at the ring of the dome and join the two domes. To make the face of penguin, use mentioned number of strips, roll to form a tight coil and using mold give a good dome shape. Apply some glue inside the domes so that the domes are secure. Apply some glue at the ring of the dome and join the two domes. To make legs for the penguin, use 1/4 strips, roll to loose coil and give it a teardrop shape. Apply some glue and join the 3 teardrops to each other as you see here. To make penguin beak, use 1/4 strip, roll to a loose coil and make a heart shape as you can see here. To make hands of the penguin, take 1/2 strip, roll to form a loose coil and make a bended teardrop shape. To make penguin hat, using 4 strips, roll to tight coil and make bended cone shape as you see here. Do this very slowly. I have used 1/4 strip of paper to make these fringes and glue it to the hat. So finally, when all the parts are ready, it's time to assemble them. Apply some glue and join body and face to each other. Wait for some time till it dry. Apply some glue and join the hands to the body of the penguin. Apply some glue and join the legs to the body. Take the hat, apply some glue and place it on top of the penguin head. Take the beak, apply some glue and place it right at the center. Also, I made the scarf using braid technique, which I will share in the upcoming videos. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you did, then don't forget to subscribe. Do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.